Now, to draw a diamond ring, you really want to start with the hole that the finger goes through. So let's very, very lightly draw a circle. Okay, and you want to do this lightly because we're going to erase this later, and the lighter you make it, the easier it is to erase. If you draw very gently, the graphite is just on the surface of the paper, so you can just erase it off the top. Otherwise it gets grained into the paper and it's really difficult to get it out. Now here we want to bring this up kind of to a point like that, and then we are going to draw a kind of a U shape, a cup kind of shape like that, and then across here that's going to be kind of the level of the diamond, and we want to draw claws to hold the diamond onto the actual ring itself. So they're going to go like that. This can come in here a little bit. So this will now be the diamond. So we've got this line going through there. That's the top, and this needs to come down in a point. We could maybe bring that down a little bit deeper there, so we can bring the point down that little bit deeper as well. Then we're going to want kind of triangles across the top. Not all diamonds are quite this simple, but this is draw stuff really easy. Now we're going to draw a little line across there, and this is going to be for our clasps. These are the claws that hold the actual diamond onto the ring, and then we're going to bring that around there and around there like that. And then the diamond itself wants to be quite sort of gently drawn, so I'm sort of being a little bit hesitant, and I'm kind of drawing on the edge of the nibby part of the pen so that we're not getting terribly thick lines. And then we're going to want these triangles which are going to come up like that and down there, and then we're going to want these lines coming down to the point there as well. Don't make them too thick and hard. Now we want to carefully go all the way around the outside of the ring like that, and then we want to carefully go all the way around the inside of the ring like that.
Hey, if you're still watching, you obviously love drawing, so make sure you click that button down there and subscribe to Draw Stuff Real Easy, and keep coming back for more drawings every week.
Now, when you are absolutely sure that the ink is dry, then because you drew so gently, you can erase all those pencil marks really easily. And then we want to put some sort of shading, but it's not really shading, it's kind of just putting the light into the diamond. So we're just putting little kind of bits of sort of shadow and shade into these sort of different parts of it. And I think underneath the clasp we're going to want it to be a little bit darker, just so that the claw kind of stands out that bit more. And then we're going to do some very, very simple sort of shading for this. It could be gold, it could be platinum. That's also a little curve and a dot. And I'm also going to put a little kind of a circle there. This is kind of the light shining on the top there. And then I'm going to draw again, curve following along, and then a dot, and a dot. And that's all I'm really going to put there. And then here we're following the curve around, and a dot, follow the curve. And then here we might just have some kind of little marks like that. That's all it really needs, and I think maybe across the top there we might put a bit extra. Finally, we need to put a bit of shine into this diamond, so I'm going to flick like that. By flicking you get a kind of a thick line going to a little thin line. So if we flick, aiming kind of right at the middle of this diamond, and take your time, and then we can just kind of split in between those lines, and that will give you the shine. And I'm kind of feeling I just need a little bit more sort of shade down here. So I'm just going to draw a line and a dot all the way around there. I'm going to put a dot there and maybe add a bit more there, and I'm also going to just fill that space in there. And there you go, how to draw a diamond ring real easy.
Well, thanks for watching. Please like this video and make sure you are subscribed to the Draw Stuff Real Easy channel. You can support my videos by following me on my Patreon page. Put your drawing idea requests in the comments box below, and remember to keep drawing, drawing, drawing. Practice, 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 and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye bye.